हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल द ट्विन ब्रोस। माय नेम इज अतीशा चंदेल और आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स इन इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज फ्रॉम योर सीयूईटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया है कि इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं उन टॉपिक्स के मैंने एमसीक्यूज बना के आपके लिए प्रेजेंट किए हैं। आपको अपने एंड से इन एमसीक्यूज को सॉल्व करना है, टैली बनानी है कि कितने एमसीक्यूज सही हो रहे हैं, कितने गलत हो रहे हैं, एंड देन यू कैन शेयर इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, जिससे हमें पता लग जाएगा कि एवरेज स्कोर कितना जा रहा है। इसके अलावा जो जो आप गलत कर रहे हैं उनका कहीं पे स्पेशली नोट बना लीजिए। जब आप एंड में रिवीजन कर रहे होंगे इस चैप्टर की, तब आप उन पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस पे ज्यादा फोकस कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दोज माइट बी क्वेश्चंस जहाँ पे आपको और कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी चाहिए हो या फिर जहाँ पे आपको और सीखने की जरूरत हो, तो उन पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस पे हम लोग ज्यादा फोकस करेंगे इन केस नेक्स्ट डे एग्जाम में आपका आ जाता है इस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड। So now, without further ado, let us begin with this chapter. The very first question that we have here is that in which year was the Congress party defeated in the elections, marking a crucial development of the period? 1985, 1989, 1991, and 1996. And the correct answer is that the Congress party was defeated in the 1989 election. Alright, so in the 1989 election हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी डिफीट हो जाती है, and that has a profound impact on मतलब the end of the Congress system as we deem it. The next question that we have over here is how many seats did the Congress party win in this particular 1989 elections? 152, 197, 236 or 312? And the correct answer is that the Congress party won 197 seats in the 1989 election. Which historical event marked the end of the Congress system? So we just discussed this. इमरजेंसी हुई थी, उसने मार्क किया। असैसिनेशन ऑफ इंदिरा गांधी इन 1984, इलेक्शंस ऑफ 1989, या फिर पार्टीशन ऑफ इंडिया इन 1947? And the correct answer is the election of 1989 officially marked what is called the end of the Congress system. The decision by the new front government, by the National Front government in 1990 to implement the recommendation of the Mandal Commission, primarily aimed at reserving jobs in the central government for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, introducing quotas for women in government positions, reserving jobs in the central government for other backward classes, establishing merit-based criteria for government employees. And the correct answer is that it was for reservation of jobs in the central government for other backward classes, OBCs. The initiation of the structural adjustment program या फिर न्यू इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म सिग्निफाइज व्हाट? ठीक है, सो व्हेन वी से स्ट्रक्चरल एडजस्टमेंट प्रोग्राम, सो ये जो है कंफ्यूज मत होना, दिस इज बेसिकली आपका न्यू इकोनॉमिक जो पॉलिसी आई थी एनईपी ऑफ योर 1991, दैट इज व्हाट द स्ट्रक्चरल एडजस्टमेंट प्रोग्राम इज। ठीक है, it signifies a shift towards socialist economic policies, a continuation of the protectionist trade measures, a departure from the previous economic policies to the market oriented reforms, या फिर एक emphasis on state controlled industries and centralized planning? And the correct answer is now we had a departure from previous economic policies to a more market oriented reforms. ठीक है, LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization के towards we were moving. When did the demolition of the Babri Masjid occur? December 1992, December 1991, December 1994, December 1993? And the correct answer is December of 1992. ठीक है, now when did the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi occur? May 1990, May 1991, May 1992 या May 1993? And the correct answer is May of 1991. Who was chosen as the Prime Minister following the death of Rajiv Gandhi? Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Narasimha Rao, Manmohan Singh, Sonia Gandhi? And the correct answer is Narasimha Rao. ठीक है, which two politically divergent groups supported the National Front although they did not join it to form a government? कांग्रेस एंड लेफ्ट फ्रंट की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, बीजेपी एंड कांग्रेस की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, बीजेपी एंड लेफ्ट फ्रंट की बात हो रही है, कांग्रेस एंड जनता दल? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज द बीजेपी एंड लेफ्ट फ्रंट। ठीक है, ये दोनों डायमेट्रिकली ऑपोजिट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज बीजेपी इज मोर राइट विंग, लेफ्ट फ्रंट आपका लेफ्ट विंग आ जाएगा। येट दे सपोर्टेड द नेशनल फ्रंट, व्हाई? बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू कीप the Congress party away from the power. Now, when was the United Front government elected to power? 1992, 1994, 1996 या 1998? And the correct answer is 1996 election में United Front government was elected to power. Which parties were included in the United Front coalition? Congress BJP, Janata Dal Left Front, BJP Left Front, Janata Dal and several regional parties. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज जनता दल। एंड काफी सारी आपकी जो रीजनल पार्टीज थी उन्होंने आके आपका ये यूनाइटेड फ्रंट का कोalition को फॉर्म किया था। इन 1989 why did the left and the BJP support the National Front government? Due to their shared economic policies in pursuit of socialist reforms, to prevent the Congress from assuming power, or to promote communal harmony. We just discussed this, and the correct answer is to prevent the Congress from assuming power. ठीक है, कांग्रेस को पावर से दूर रखने के लिए इन्होंने सपोर्ट किया था, इवन दो दे हैड नो shared ideological basis to come together. In 1996, why did the Congress support the non-Congress government while the left continued its support despite their difference in ideology? To establish socialist policies, ensure आपका economic stability, to keep BJP out of the power, या communal harmony? So it's basically the same question. पहले हम 1989 आपका नेशनल फ्रंट की बात कर रहे थे, यहाँ हम 1996 में आपका यूनाइटेड फ्रंट की बात कर रहे थे कि यहाँ पे कांग्रेस ने क्यों सपोर्ट किया। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज टू कीप बीजेपी आउट ऑफ पावर। ठीक है, तो बोथ ईयर्स में इवन दो आइडियोलॉजिकल बेसिस मैच नहीं कर रहा था पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का, दे स्टिल सपोर्टेड दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी टू कीप ईच अदर आउट ऑफ पावर। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड टू द बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट आफ्टर इमर्जिंग एज द लार्जेस्ट पार्टी इन द 1996 इलेक्शन? उसने एक कोalition गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म किया बाकी पार्टीज के साथ। इट डिसॉल्व ड्यू टू द इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स। It successfully secured a majority in the Lok Sabha. It faced opposition from most other parties and it failed to secure a majority in the Lok Sabha. And the correct answer is that it faced opposition by most of the parties, and then even though they had like the largest party उस time के election में, they failed to secure a majority because power में आने के लिए you have a threshold, उससे ऊपर आपको बनाना ही बनाना है लोगों के साथ आके उस नंबर को अचीव करना है, but they failed to do so and that is why they could not form a government in the Lok Sabha. Who served as a prime minister during the NDA coalition government from May 1998 to June 1999 and again from October 1999? राजीव गांधी, मनमोहन सिंह, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, सोनिया गांधी। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी। ठीक है, ही बिकेम द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड। ठीक है, दो बार आपके यहाँ पे टाइम पीरियड दे रखे हैं। October 1999 to 2004 was when he completed his entire tenure. What significant change occurred in Indian politics with the elections of 1989? The rise of a single party dominance, establishment of presidential system, initiation of economic reforms, the beginning of a long phase of coalition politics. And the correct answer is the beginning of a long phase of coalition politics. अब coalition government आ रही थी. Up until 2014, no single particular political party could gain a majority in the Lok Sabha. ठीक है, 2014 के बाद से the NDA government has been able to do so. However, उससे पहले जब तो था वो coalition में form कर करके ही आ रही. Now, who became the Prime Minister of India in December of 1989? Rajiv Gandhi, VP Singh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, PV Narasimha Rao, and the correct answer is VP Singh. Now, who became the Prime Minister of India in November 1990? Rajiv Gandhi, PV Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Chandrasekhar. And the correct answer is Chandrasekhar. Who became the Prime Minister in June of 1991? Rajiv Gandhi, PV Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Indira Gandhi. And the correct answer is PV Narasimha Rao. Who became the Prime Minister in June of 1996? Atal Bihari Vajpayee, PV Narasimha Rao, HD Deve Gowda, या फिर IK Gujral. And the correct answer is HD Deve Gowda. ठीक है, अगेन ऑल ऑफ दीज ईयर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑल ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स नेम आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आपको एक क्रोनोलॉजी में याद हो जाने चाहिए कि इन प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स का नाम क्या क्या है। Who became the Prime Minister of India in April of 1997? Atal Bihari Vajpayee, PV Narasimha Rao, HD Deve Gowda, IK Gujral. The correct answer is IK Gujral. Who became the Prime Minister of India in May of 2004? Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Manmohan Singh, Sonia Gandhi, Narendra Modi. Correct answer is Manmohan Singh. Easy question. And then finally, who became the Prime Minister of India in May 2014 and continues to be so? Very easy. Sonia Gandhi, Narendra Modi, Manmohan Singh, Rahul Gandhi. Correct answer is Narendra Modi. ठीक है, so you have to just revise all the Prime Ministers का नाम एक बार chronology में, and you should know कि कौन से time period में आए थे. Even अगर आपका month गलत हो जाएगा, although I would recommend कि months भी याद रखो, years तो आपको particularly याद रखने ही रखने हैं कि अच्छा इस year से इस year में they were in tenure, they were in position. What does the administrative category of other backward classes refer to? Communities primarily based on religious minorities, communities other than SC and ST suffering from educational and social backwardness, elite social groups with historical privileges, non-governmental organization focused on community development. And the correct answer is communities other than आपके scheduled caste and scheduled tribe who suffer from educational and social backwardness. Which political parties, constituents of the Janata Party, had a significant rural basis among certain sections of the OBCs? बीजेपी, आईएनसी, समाजवादी पार्टी, बहुजन समाज पार्टी, भारतीय क्रांति दल, संयुक्त सोशलिस्ट पार्टी, CPIM, CPI, and the correct answer is Bharatiya Kranti Dal and Samyukta Socialist Party. When did the reservation for OBC begin in southern part of India? 1947, 50s, 60s, 1970s, and the correct answer is 1960s में तो हो ही गए थे आपके यहाँ पे स्टार्ट. Who was the pioneer in introducing reservation for OBC in Bihar? ठीक है, यहाँ पे नाम ध्यान रखिएगा, बिहार की पर्टिकुलरली बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. JP नारायण, कर्पूरी ठाकुर, राम मनोहर लोहिया, मुलायम सिंह यादव, and the correct answer is Karpuri Thakur. In which year did central government appoint a commission to examine and propose measures for the improvement of the conditions of backward classes? 1950, 1965, 1978, 1985, and the correct answer is 1978 में आपको ये कमीशन बिठाई गई थी. Now, who was the chairperson of the commission which was appointed by the central government 1978? Karpuri Thakur, Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy, आपके BP मंडल या फिर IK गुजराल. And the correct answer is BP मंडल और बिंदेश्वरी प्रसाद मंडल. He was the chairperson of your commission जिसका नाम आगे जाके मंडल कमीशन बन जाता है. Now, when did this जो आपके मंडल कमीशन है, when did it present its recommendation? 1979, 1978, 1980, 1985, and the correct answer is it presented its recommendation in 1980. ठीक है, जब तक जनता पार्टी was out of power. Now, what percentage of seats of educational institutions and government jobs did the Mandal Commission recommend reserving for OBCs? 50%, 27%, 10%, 15%, and the correct answer is 27% of reservation. Now, when did the National Front government decide to implement one of the recommendations of the Mandal Commission pertaining to the reservation of the OBCs in jobs in the central government and its undertakings? August 1990 में implement किया गया इसको, August 1991 में किया गया, August 1992 में किया गया, या फिर August 1993 में करा गया. And the correct answer is August of 1990 because National Front तो तभी थी ना पावर में, तो this is your correct answer. The decision to implement reservations for OBCs in central government jobs challenged the Supreme Court. It is commonly known, challenged in the Supreme Court is commonly known as Nehruvian Reform, Indira Sohani case, Rajiv Gandhi case, Vajpayee Doctrine. And the correct answer is it's called the Indira Sohani case, which is named after one of the petitioners of this particular case. Now, when did the Supreme Court give a ruling upholding the government's decision on reservation of OBCs in central jobs? November 1990, November 1991, November 1993, November 1992. And the correct answer is November 1992. में उन्होंने कहा हाँ, the government was right to have that decision in place. When was the Backward and Minority Communities Employees Federation formed? या फिर BAMCEF जिसको कहते हैं BAMCEF formed? 1975, 1978, 1980, 1985, and the correct answer is 1978. Which political party emerged from the BAMCEF under the leadership of Kanshi Ram? INC, BJP, CPIM, BSP? Easy question. The correct answer is Bahujan Samaj Party emerged आपके कांशी राम के leadership के under. Now, where did the BSP initially gain its support before achieving a breakthrough in Uttar Pradesh elections in 1990, 1989 and 1991? राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश में यहाँ पे आपका इन्फ्लुएंस देखने को मिल रहा था, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात में, पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश में, बिहार एंड झारखंड. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश से आपके ज्यादा सपोर्ट यहाँ से मिल रहा था बीएसपी को. What demographic factors contributed to the confidence of the BSP in its political pursuits? The majority of the population being Brahmins and upper caste. यहाँ पे हम लोग particularly यूपी के सिनेरियो की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. The majority of the population being from rural areas, the Bahujans constituting the majority of the population, the significant representation of industrial workers in the population. And the correct answer is that Bahujans जो थे, they had a majority in the population, यूपी की population से अगर देखा जाए, ठीक है. तो आपके SC, ST, OBC, religious minorities, all of this when combined became a very important vote, vote bank जिसको हम कहते हैं for BSP political party, and that is why they were very confident कि अगर हम इनके election में हम इनके ideas को represent करेंगे, they are more likely to vote for us, and hence we will have more votes on our side. Now, when was the BJP formed? 1975, 1918, 1985, 1990, and the correct answer is it was formed in the year 1980. ठीक है, 1980 याद रखिएगा. What political ideology did the BJP initially adopt when it was formed in the year 1980? Marxism, Leninism, Gandhian socialism, liberal capitalism, secular humanism. And the correct answer is it had adopted Gandhian socialism as its initial आपके ideology. Now, after 1986, what ideological shift did the BJP undergo? Now it had emphasis on secularism, it had emphasis on socialism, it had emphasis on Hindu nationalism, or it had emphasis on liberalism. And the correct answer is it began to display emphasis on Hindu nationalism, or in other words, Hindutva as a concept. Now, who was the originator for the concept of Hindutva, defining it as the basis for Indian nationhood? Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, V.D. Savarkar, B.R. Ambedkar, and the correct answer is V.D. Savarkar was the originator of the concept of Hindutva. In the Shah Banu case of 1985, what was Supreme Court's ruling regarding the maintenance of the divorced Muslim woman? The ruling favored the woman, granting her maintenance from her former husband. The ruling favored the husband, denying women's maintenance. The ruling declared maintenance irrelevant in Muslim personal law. या फिर the ruling referred the case back to the lower courts for further review. And the correct answer is that the ruling favored the woman. उन्होंने कहा हाँ, शाह बानो केस में she should get the maintenance आपका यहाँ पे. Now, in response to Supreme Court's ruling in the Shah Banu case, which legislative action was taken by the government in 1986? Hindu Marriage Act को amend किया गया. Supreme Court jurisdiction over personal laws were expanded. Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act was passed, which nullified the Supreme Court's judgment. या फिर the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act was enacted. And the correct answer is the Muslim Women Protection of Rights and Divorce Act को पास किया गया. एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो जजमेंट निकाला था फेवरिंग शाह बानो, उसको नलिफाई कर दिया गया था. In February 1986, what order did the court issue regarding the Babri Masjid premises? The court ordered the demolition of the Babri Masjid. The court ordered the construction of a Hindu temple at that site. The court ordered that the Babri Masjid premises to be unlocked for Hindu prayers. The court ordered the transfer of the Babri Masjid to a Hindu trust. And the correct answer is that the court ordered that the Babri Masjid premises should be unlocked for Hindu prayers. Who built the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya? Mir Baqi, Emperor Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Mir Baqi. Okay? Now, what initiative did the BJP undertake to garner public support involving a massive march from Somnath in Gujarat to Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh? Mahapadav, Rath Yatra, Satyagrah, Jal Samadhi. And the correct answer इस रथ यात्रा जो इन्होंने टर्म दिया वो सोमनाथ से लेके अयोध्या तक इन्होंने कंडक्ट करवाई थी. When did the violence erupt in Mumbai, lasting for over 2 weeks? January 1992, January 1993, January 1994, January 1995. Correct answer is January 1993, right after December 1992 demolition. What action did the centre along with the state government led by the BJP being dismissed? Sorry, ये होना चाहिए what action did the center take along with आपकी जो बीजेपी की स्टेट गवर्नमेंट थी उसको डिसमिस कराना. ठीक है, तो ये पर्टिकुलर एक्शन के अलावा और क्या किया है उन्होंने? इम्पोज किया प्रेसिडेंट रूल ऑन द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड अदर स्टेट्स वेयर द बीजेपी वाज इन पावर. इट अपॉइंटेड अ न्यू चीफ मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम द बीजेपी. इट फॉर्म्ड अ कोalition government with the BJP. It issued a warning to the BJP led government. And the correct answer is that it imposed presidential rule on the state government and other states जहाँ पे बीजेपी थी पावर में वहाँ पे presidential rule को लगा दिया गया था. When did violence break out against Muslims in Gujarat? February, March 2001, February, March 2001, February, March 2002, February, March 2003. And the correct answer is the month of February and March 2002 में Muslims के against काफी ज़्यादा violence देखने को मिला था in Gujarat. What was the criticism levied by the National Human Rights Commission against the Gujarat government regarding its handling of the violence against Muslims in Gujarat? That it failed to prevent the violence from occurring, it failed to provide relief for the victims, it failed to prosecute the perpetrators of this violence, या फिर all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. तीनों एरिया में जो गुजरात की गवर्नमेंट थी it failed. In the 2004 election, which coalition government came into power defeating the NDA? National Democratic Alliance, Bharatiya Janata Party, United Progressive Alliance, Janata Dal United. And the correct answer is UPA या फिर United Progressive Alliance. What trend is becoming less and less significant in the Indian politics at the moment? the distinction between political parties based on ideology, the role of regional parties in state politics, the importance of national parties compared to state level parties, the influence of independent candidates in election. And the correct answer is the importance of national level parties compared to state level parties थोड़ा कम होता जा रहा है. Now what we see is that the state level government जो मतलब आपकी political parties होती है, they are also playing a very crucial role in your central elections जो होते हैं, because they come in coalition and when they are forming coalitions तो वो भी बहुत बार आपकी political power में आ जाते हैं. Next we move on to some of the assertion reason question. Assertion आपका यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि the distinction between state level and national level parties is becoming less and less important. State level parties are sharing power at the national level and have played a central role in the country's politics for the last 20 years or so. ठीक है, assertion reason आपके जितने भी options होते हैं वही exactly हैं. Think about this for a second. And the correct answer for this particular question is option number A. ठीक है, बिकॉज हाँ ये दोनों सही है और ये इसी को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था. ये एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने अभी आपको लास्ट क्वेश्चन में ही दी थी. ठीक है, सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वी मूव ऑन to the Mandal Commission was set up to investigate the extent of educational and social backwardness among various sections of the Indian society and recommend ways of identify these backward classes. It was not expected from the Mandal Commission to give its recommendation on the ways in which this backwardness could be ended. चारों आपके ऑप्शन जो हमेशा रहते हैं. And the correct answer is that assertion true है but reasoning false है because it was a responsibility of the Mandal Commission. ऐसा ये नहीं है कि हमने expect नहीं किया था, उन्होंने बस दे दिया recommendation. No, they were put in place because we wanted to have recommendation about how we can improve the conditions for the other backward classes in this particular country. ठीक है, सो विद दैट दिस चैप्टर ऑल्सो कम्स टू एन एंड. इसके साथ हम लोगों ने आपके पूरा CUET का जितना सिलेबस है उसको कंप्लीट कर लिया है. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट यू विल डू वेरी वेल. इन MCQs को रिवाइज करते रहिएगा. यहाँ पे मैंने सारे मेजर टॉपिक्स को कवर कर रखा है. एंड इसके अलावा आपको अपने एंड से प्रॉपरली रिविजन करना है, डरना नहीं है. CUET इज अ वेरी इजी एग्जामिनेशन. जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको दिए हैं ये शायद से थोड़े और डिफिकल्ट लेवल के हैं. CUET तो बहुत ही ज्यादा आसान आता है. ठीक है, सो डू वेल, प्रैक्टिस एज मेनी क्वेश्चंस एज यू कैन. ठीक है, एंड डू नॉट गेट स्केयर्ड, राइट योर आंसर्स वेरी वेल एंड यू नो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर आंसर्स. ठीक है, आराम से कीजिएगा, बहुत सारे मॉक पेपर सॉल्व कीजिएगा. आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट इन यू एंड आई नो आपके एग्जामिनेशन अच्छे जाने वाले हैं. ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज डू लाइक दिस वीडियो.